Still day one here at the world's largest mining convention, the PDAC in Toronto, and joining me now, Brent Cook, editor of Exploration Insights and famed geologist. Brent, thanks so much for being back with us.
Lovely to be here with you again.
Now, we have an upcoming fantastic panel, and we'll talk about that in a second, but I'm happy to get you one-on-one here, Brett, because I'd like to get your thoughts on the junior mining space right now. Seems to be some renewed optimism. Some analysts calling for the end of the bear market for the juniors. How do you see it?
We've certainly come off what used to be a bottom. We're up 40% more or less, so it's been great. I think there's going to be time to rest now. And what troubles me about this whole rise is it's not selective. A lot of companies that I know that have deposits that I don't think are worth anything, they're rising with the good ones. In fact, more sometimes. So again, I don't think it's real money jumping into this sector yet. We need to see first the majors demonstrate to real investors that they can make money mining, and then we'll start to see people coming into in much more volume into the junior side of the sector. But I think it will come, and that's what I talked about in my talk today on the miner's dilemma.
So I've been asking a few guests this: if you had to place your bets between the exploration companies, the juniors, or the majors, where would you focus?
I'm scattered across all three. Actually, I don't own many majors, but I do own some mid-sized companies and exploration companies. And exploration is what I really like, and I think ultimately that's where the money is going to be made, because we're burning through more than we're finding. That's bottom line, burning through more than we're finding, and what we are finding, by and large, is marginal at best. So all we've got to do in this sector is identify the truly economic discoveries early on and stick with them, because they're going to make money.
So Brent, why are we not finding new discoveries, basically?
That's the way God made it. But Mother Nature is that way. The way the Earth evolves, it changes, and as it changes, that makes anomalies, and it's just much tougher now to research those anomalies and figure out what's going on.
Well, Brett, I wanted to save this question for our panel discussion that's going to be amazing, but I can't wait to ask you. When I had my interview with Pierre Lasson, I asked him, why aren't we finding new discoveries? And he said one word. He said technology. He said the deposits are there. He said, look, we found gold under the Trans-Canada Highway. They are there. What would your answer be to that? What's your response?
Well, okay, so the gold found under the Trans-Canada Highway amounts to about 1/4 of 1 year of production. No, I don't think technology is going to do it. It'd be nice to think there's a silver bullet like fracking was for oil and gas, but it's not. The fact of the matter is deposits are deeper, they're hidden, and all the costs that go into finding those things that are buried under hundreds of meters and then extracting the deposit just add to the cost. So no, I don't think we are going to find a new technology that's going to make it better to mine these things.
So, Brad, give us a sneak peek. Our panel discussion on Tuesday, who can we expect and what can we expect to be said?
This is going to be fun. Alex Davidson, was ex-VP Exploration for Barrick. Catherine McLeod, Arequipa Resources, now involved in a number of things, one of the top in the industry. And then we've got Miles Thompson coming across with Reservoir Minerals, probably the only $7 stock on the TSX Exchange.
And Alex and myself will be moderating this panel, so it'll be good stuff.
It's going to be great. And then all we got to do is play volleyball.
Thanks, Brett, for your thoughts today.
Okay, you're welcome.
And thanks for watching our coverage here at the PDAC. We'll have more for you. In the meantime, email us comments and questions you want me to ask these folks at newsfeedback@kitco.com or follow me on Twitter at Daniela Cambone. Thanks for watching.